Hello, you're welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the difference between 1.8 liter engine and 2.0 liter engine. Now, as so many of us knows, we have been hearing that this car have 1.8 liter engine or 2.8 liter engine, but so many of us don't know what it means. What does it mean? 1.8 liter, 2.0 liter engine. Other high-end cars like Ford, they have 5.0 liter engine. Some cars have 4.8 liter engine, depending on the displacement size. Now, engine have different configuration. They have the V6 engine, which has the V shape, 3-cylinder this side, 3-cylinder this side. And they have the V8 engine, which is also in V size, 4-cylinder this side, 4-cylinder this side. Now they have the inline 4, straight 4, and the flat 4. So many layouts. Now, when we want to buy a car, they normally tell us that this Toyota Corolla have 1.8 liter engine. Now, this one have 2.0 liter engine. Some cars, not only Toyota Corolla, we have cars, even some VWs. Now, what is the difference between 1.8 liter engine and 2.0 liter engine? Does this one make more power than this one? Is this one more reliable than this one? Does this one have more power than this one? Which one is more efficient? Now today we're going to explain the difference between a 1.6 liter, a 1.8 liter engine and a 2.0 liter engine. Now, what is 1.8 liter engine? 1.8 liter engine refers to the engine with a displacement or a size of a combustion chamber between 1,800 cubic centimeter. Or it refers to the combined volume capacity of the cylinder expressed in cubic centimeter. Here, the volume capacity refers to the displacement volume or the breathing capacity of the cylinder. It is basically the volume of air that can be sucked inside the cylinder as the stroke moves from TDC to BDC. Now, when they say 1.8 liter, it means the combustion chamber, the displacement of the engine. Now, this combustion chamber is in cubic centimeter. Now, some engine is 1.8. That's 1,800 cubic centimeter or 1,800 cubic centimeter. Similar to 1.0 liter engine. That means the engine has a cubic centimeter of 2,000. Remember, when you check in the cylinder engine, it moves up and down. The strokes of the engine moves up and down. Now the distance that the engine moves, that the piston moves up and down, is known as the stroke. Now the total displacement of the 4-cylinder is what we term as the volume of the engine, the displacement of the engine, the total power that the whole 4-piston makes. Now, some 4-piston makes 2,000 in terms of displacement. Now, some Toyota now, like their 1.8 liter engine makes 1,800 in terms of displacement. Now, these engines, they are very reliable because it is efficient engine. It is very efficient, and it comes in different types of cars. Now the question, what are the cons and the pros? Normally 1.8 liter engine is more efficient because the displacement rate is small. It's 1,800. It's fuel efficient. It makes lower power. but it can take you from from point A to point B. Now, in 2.0 liter engine, it makes more power because it sucks more air. The combustion rate is higher. Sucks more fuel. The more fuel, the more combustion, the more air, the more power. Now, which one is more reliable? Engines, all of them are reliable depending on the maintenance, how you maintain the engine. This one makes more power and this one makes less power, but in terms of reliability, they are the same. It's just different with 100 or 200 displacement. Now, some are saying when you go to buy the one of 2.5, the 2.0 liter engine. It depends on which one you want. In other ways, if you go to 1.1 liter engine, 1.8 liter engine, or 2.0 liter engine, it's still a good engine and can take you from point A to point B. Very good and reliable engine, especially Toyotas. Now, in 2006 model, Toyota have 1.8 liter engine, but in 2024 they have 2.0 liter engine. I mean, the 2024 Toyota Corolla have more power. Has more power than the 2006 Toyota Corolla in terms of the torque, the horsepower. The 2.0 liter engine makes more power than the 1.8 liter engine. So this is all for the difference between 1.8 liter engine and 2.8 liter engine. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one.